All right, well, that's set up a little bit, and yeah, sure looks pretty good. Yeah. All right. And the top up there, we just got the fenders and the battery cover, and then the whole back end to do. But yeah, I don't know, what, like a third done? A lot of little nooks and crannies to do, but yeah, it's looking good. Oh, here we are again, working on this case. We've got the hood and roof done. We're gonna do, I've got this all primed, sanded, and ready to spray. So I'm just gonna blow it off and mask it. That's what I gotta do, mask it. I'm gonna blow it off once and then get some cleaner, wipe it down with cleaner. Wipe it off at the same time. All right, that's enough of that. Now, Alright, well, I'm going to give it a blow off now, and then we don't have quite so much dust flying around when I spray it the next time I'm here. So yeah, I'm just going to blow it off, wipe it off, and now we got just a tiny bit more masking to do. Alright, well, there it is. That front end is ready to spray. Still got that back, but that's not going to be a big job. Yep. We'll get there. Pretty happy with that. And then we got the carver sitting here. Anxious to get back to that, but you know, one thing at a time. Got it a little dirty, marching in and out of there so many times. All right, yep. Anxious to get back on that. Okie dokie, time to head out. All right, well, we're gonna give it a wipe down before we get the paint on it. So I got some wax and grease cleaner. Gonna go around and wipe down the whole thing. This is actually a hydraulic oil tank, so it has a tendency to get a lot of oil on it and residue. So really have to make sure it's clean. The oil fill is back here, and the gauge. So really got to make sure the oil is off all this. This corner, all the paint was stripped right off of it, so we feathered it out and put a couple coats of touch-up paint on it. Looks really good now, though. All right, we'll get back to getting everything gathered up on this side. Get the gun adjusted. Give it one more coat. 2 coats will be plenty for this. All right, let's have a look at this thing. Do a walk around and check it out. Yeah, so the front's dry. It's been done for a week. Here's the back. Yeah, looks like $1 million. We'll look at this side. Yeah, this side too. That's a battery box. Yeah. Well, we're about 2/3 of the way there. Yeah, even inside. All right, looking good. The old tractor's got a shine on it. All right, well, next time we'll do the back third.